If your travel guide looks like a dictionary, you're doing it wrong. Let's simplify things. Hey there, wanderlusters. Ever found yourself in a foreign land, staring blankly at a street sign? Or maybe you've tried ordering food and ended up with who knows what on your plate? Laughs. Fear not, here's a quick guide to essential local phrases that'll save your day. First up, greetings. In Spain, a simple hola goes a long way. In France, try bonjour. And in Italy, say ciao. Easy, right? Next, you'll need to ask for directions. In Germany, wo ist die Toilette means where's the bathroom? Super useful. In Japan, say eki wa doko desu ka? For where's the train station? Remember, a little effort goes a long way. How about ordering food? In Mexico, ¿qué me recomienda? Translates to what do you recommend? In Thailand, chun kinje means I eat vegetarian. No more mystery meals, yay! And don't forget the magic words, please and thank you. In Italy, per favore and grazie will win hearts. In China, it's Qing and Xiexi. Politeness knows no borders. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips with Insponential. Happy travels!